Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used 2016 model Peugeot 308 GT Line that is fresh in stock, complemented by a pearlescent white paintwork. It does house your 1.6 diesel engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles. Top features do include your automatic headlights and, for further protection, your power folding wing mirrors, parking sensors and a reversing camera. You do also have a spacious 470-litre boot capacity, followed by a comfortable cloth trim with your contrasting stitching and access to a pull-down armrest. Moving into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel with access to your central touch display screen and again your stylish cloth trim, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with the added bonus of your cruise control and speed limiter features to help you when you are out on those motorway journeys, and the display of your vital driving data. Moving across, you do have access to your variation of driving functions, including your reversing camera and sensors, which will be activated when you are manoeuvring the vehicle, guiding you into those tricky parking spots. Of course, you do have a variation of radio stations to keep you well entertained, with of course your Bluetooth connection. For those unfamiliar areas or those who love to explore, you do also have your built-in navigation with of course all of your general vehicle settings. This is followed below by a further climate control options alongside your handy power outlets and a small storage compartment for any personal belongings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.